Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix access not available in TikTok Live Studio. First, make sure your account meets the requirements for TikTok Live Studio. Access is usually given automatically once your account qualifies. You normally need at least 1,000 followers. In some regions, non-gaming creators may need up to 10,000 followers. Your account must also be at least 30 days old. If it is newer, you will need to wait until it reaches 30 days. Your account should also be in good standing with no active violations of TikTok community guidelines. If your account has warnings or restrictions, live studio access may not appear. You may also need recent live activity. TikTok may require that you have gone live for at least 25 minutes once within the past 180 days. If you receive trial access, you must go live for at least 25 minutes 2 times during your first week to keep the feature. If you already meet all these requirements but still see the access error, you can report the issue manually. Open the Live Center at the top of the page. Then go to the Help Center and select Get Started with your first live. Scroll down and select No when asked if the article solved your issue. After that, write a short message explaining your problem and submit the report. Finally, check that you are using the latest version of TikTok Live Studio. If you already have the newest version installed, try uninstalling the software and reinstalling it once. Thanks for watching.